हाँ भाई, ओके ओके।
Hello, Dr. Sahu.
Hello, hello.
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 Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Sir, namaskar.
Namaskar, namaskar.
My video is not visible properly. So
Why you are invisible? Now you are visible.
Yes.
Your
Your
background,
audio.
your backdrop is not there. Arre, no, it's gone.
I don't know why it is happening.
See, you are the key speaker. You better come live fast.
Yeah.
I'm just coming.
So I can see everyone clearly.
Yeah.
Dr.
Mine is
Sahu,
stable.
welcome.
Yours?
Yes, yes. Smita, how are you?
I'm very good. How are you doing?
Bas, all well, fine.
How did you enjoy
No
selecting
complaint.
our winners?
Oh, I'm enjoying your weekend seminar and you are taking care of us. That is also very good.
Yeah, we try our
Yes.
best. But thank you for all your
Yeah.
effort and work and selecting our winners for the day. It must have been quite enlightening to see
Yeah,
what
it's
the
quite
young minds
interesting.
write.
No, this is my subject.
Yeah, it's very interesting. I read a few of
Yeah,
them.
this
They
is
were
my
quite
subject. So,
interesting. Yes, sir.
yeah, good. It's a good effort.
Yeah. So I will call on you to speak for
And
2 minutes on your experience and share your experience as a jury member.
sure.
Okay.
That's a good.
So,
At least you focus to the right people,
Yes, sir.
students. Yeah,
Yes.
youngsters. Our time is gone now. The next generation, they have to take care of the environment. No, Press,
Yes, sir.
do you agree?
What, sir?
I think
Do you agree that your generation should take care of the environment for your sustainability? We have already spoiled the environment.
No, sir. You are one of the pioneers in this space, and you have helped a lot of people. So, साहू सर के बारे में एक स्टोरी सुनाता हूँ. He was running a wonderful waste management company, which had a turnover of hundreds of crores. And he decided to call it a day, and he shuttered down the company instead of selling it.
Oh, you should have sold
No.
it.
No. See, my company was not dealing with waste management. My company was dealing with the environment, of course, but mainly on the air pollution control. Okay. When I went to Bangladesh in 95 as a World Bank team leader, then that was for the solid waste management.
Welcome,
And it
Dr.
was not my-
Vasudevan.
Yeah, Dr. Basudevan,
Hello.
Hi.
Namaskar.
Professor Basudevan.
Namaskar. Namaskar.
Hello, sir. How are
Namaskar,
you?
sir.
Namaskar. And Vadakam, sir, Vadakam.
Wonderful. That's beautiful. Vanakkam.
I am in Tamil Nadu now. You know,
Oh, that's beautiful.
I'm staying in Tamil Nadu
Wonderful.
since last June.
Oh,
I'm here only. I'm at Kunnur,
you could
near Ooty.
then you could learn Tamil also.
Oh, yeah. Little bit, yes.
Sir,
For the
koncham.
For the last 13, 14 years, I'm here.
Where
Coming.
are you staying?
I'm
Tamil
at
Nadu?
Kunnur, near Ooty.
Ooty,
Yeah.
Kunnur.
Yeah, yes, sir.
You're in a very beautiful place.
Ah,
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Peaceful. Must be very peaceful.
Peaceful, nature is good, wildlife are all running here and there
say,
now.
the beautiful word is
Nice.
not sufficient to describe the beautifulness of that.
Absolutely. Agree with you.
Yeah.
That is really.
We call it a paradise. It's a
Paradise.
paradise.
Yes. That's,
We are not able to market it properly.
yeah.
I will
No,
put
we
it
don't
that way.
want.
Because
No.
We have a tourist center, such a beautiful tourist center. We are not able to market it properly.
True, sir, but we don't want, we don't want many people here.
But
Because-
enjoying nature is something different. You know.
Yeah, very few are there, very few people, and good, nice, beautiful place. Nature is good. And nowadays we find a lot of wild animals running here and there. So it is fantastic. Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Ooty is a tourist place, not Kunnur. Kunnur is only tea gardens.
One of my friend is there in Kunnur. She has recently settled there. She was the principal secretary for Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climatic Change. She was there.
What is his name? What is your name? What?
I'll recollect with the name also. I'll recollect. Anna,
The lady, no.
Anna,
That lady, no, sir.
I will give. I'll get the name. No, she has built her house. In fact, my plastic road I laid for her. Because she has settled there, and to reach her house, there was about half a kilometer road. We laid plastic road for that.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, I know him. I met him.
Yeah.
He's at Kotagiri.
Huh? Subramanian. Subramanian. She's Mrs. Subramanian. Kunnur. Anand Subramanian. She's Anandi Subramanian.
Anandi. I know Anandi very well.
Oh,
I know. She had come here near my house.
correct.
But I don't like her. I'm sorry.
She
I don't-
was a principal secretary.
He was, I know, not principal secretary. She was a director and the advisor. She's not an environmentalist. I'm sorry. She was working in the accounts department. That is like defense accounts and accounts. She was accountant. I called her accountant. She did not like it.
Oh.
I said, you are in deputation environment. That's fine. But you are not environmentalist, I told her. Because she was in charge of our Envis. You know, Envis, no? I was also one of the Envis center.
Oh, beautiful.
So that is the reason. So I said, you are not environmentalist, you are accountant.
Because I am the coordinator for the Envis department for plastic waste management for this MO,
Yeah.
Ministry of Environment Forest. So she came and visited
Right.
the laboratory, and we had a lot of interaction. And in the process,
Yeah, that was for your NV center, sir. NV center.
every center we are.
That was-
I'm the coordinator for the center here,
Ah.
plastic waste management, and we are the resource
Okay.
partner. We are the resource partners of that. So.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
she was coordinating with me during the service period.
Yeah. She lives here only. I know. She's recently made a house. There are other IS officer also. They are retired and they settle down here. I know some of them, and they come and meet me, and I also go sometimes. Yes,
Beautiful.
very much. I do. Do you remember I met you in Bombay in ICP conference?
You met me?
In Bombay in ICP conference.
Oh. Proud.
I was, sir. I was chairing your session. You are forgetting.
As we visit
You were next. You were next to me. Then we were discussing a lot of things.
Age is a factor. No, we easily forget. Yes, my age is beyond 75 now.
Oh, I see. I'm slightly lower.
Memory fails slowly.
I'm 70 now.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah.
Nice.
Good.
Apresh, I can see that we are now live on YouTube. And is there any, you are muted, Apresh. Yeah, Mr. Jha has recently joined. Hello, Mr. Jha.
Good.
We are awaiting for more members. So, Apresh, we are awaiting for Mr. C.K. Mishra and other jury members. Charita, can you please just ping them so that they are online as soon as possible?
Yes. I'm calling Mr. Shiki Mishra.
I think we need to start now, because it is already live on our Facebook and YouTube page.
All right. Let's begin. Okay, so good evening to all, and I welcome you to the WeCare Fellowship Awards. A very warm welcome to the students, our partners, distinguished jury members, and guests. On 20th October 2020, WeCare, an association of like-minded business organizations that is committed to environment protection and ensuring plastic waste management, along with India CSR Network and the Hyphen, announced a national essay competition on environment under the aegis of WeCare Fellowship Awards. Today, 3 months down the line, we are happy to see nationwide participation among many, many students. Our aim was to engage the younger generation to be drivers of behavioral change in society while we address the issues of plastic waste management. A key team of WeCare members, India CSR, and the Hyphen, along with its partners, work tirelessly to ensure nationwide coverage and promotion into different neighborhoods. Today, we are happy to reach that culmination of this journey. And to tell you more about that journey, I'd like to now invite Mr. Kamal Sharma, the CEO of WeCare, for a welcome address to each one of you.
Thank you. Thank you, Smita.
Thank you.
A very warm welcome to all the members of WeCare who have joined for this important day. My heartwarming welcome wishes for all the jury members who have done so much of rigorous assessment of the essays that we have received. I would like to welcome all the students who have made their best efforts and have been able to get recognized through this WeCare fellowship program. So the purpose of WeCare fellowship program is to inculcate the thought process, the right set of thought process in the youth on the issue of plastics, which not only about what are the problems that are around, but what are the solutions that we all need to think. And the solutions may sometimes may not be technological, but sometimes may also a societal or maybe social solutions that many of the students have submitted in their essays, and we are and it is very heartening to know that students have done so much of research and they have come back with their essays in these kind of formats. So I will not take much time. So from behalf of WeCare and its members, I wish all the students best of luck for their journey ahead, and I would like to congratulate them on behalf of all the members. Thank you.
Thank you, Kamal. I'd now like to continue with the welcome address by inviting Mr. Rusin Kumar, founder of India CSR.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening to all. So this is encouraging to note that our national agenda of Swachh Bharat is now being taken to a student community through collaborative network of the Hyphen and India CSR and our great partner WeCare. So I would like to appreciate the efforts to organize this national level essay writing competition on the issue of the plastic waste management, which has received tremendous response from the student across the nation. So I would like to congratulate the winners of this, are hopeful that their knowledge and passion for environment would help the country achieve its national priorities. Our talented youth who have made their mark in the WeCare Fellowship, I'm sure that esteemed jury members have been through a tough time in selecting the winners, considering quality writing and ideas on plastic waste management. Friends, we as a nation have taken a national initiative to Clean India campaign and managing plastics in one of our priority. So I'm glad to note that We Care and its industry partners, members are engaging youth on this critical issue for environment. Friends, segregation at source is a key to sustainable management of plastic waste. It not only ensures material flow for scientific recycling, but also create job opportunities in our society nearby. Over last couple of years, we have seen various city administrators now competing to get their cities ranked as cleanest in the National Clean India Mission. We are all aware of the story of Clean Indore. There have been various efforts by industry to partner with local administration to ensure proper segregation at source. So, however, every efforts would count only when citizens to take responsibility to segregate their waste at source. I would like to mention that we would need to create a more partnership, collaboration with implementable solutions in order to address the issue of plastic waste. Our youth definitely have a unique role to play in driving our society towards responsible management of waste. With this word, I wish all the winners best of luck for their future endeavors. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Mr. Kumar, for that lovely words of inspiration. Now, I'd now like to call upon Arpesh Mishra, editor of India CSR and the architect of this competition, to say a few words on the competition that was and the future plans. Arpesh.
Yeah, thank you, Smita ji. The journey started somewhere in September when I, along with the president of We Care, then Mr. Hussain Kumar, founder of India CSR, Smita Gaikwad, and Kamal Sharma and Kajal Devnath ji all came together and discussed about this idea of encouraging students to participate in the national agenda of waste management. And we came out with a lovely program, that is We Care Fellowship. And we discussed, it took shape in the form of a national essay competition on waste management, and 6 themes were decided. Journey has been wonderful and awesome so far, with students from across the country, from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, participating in the essay competition. Thousands of students from rural India to urban centers participated. Girls or boys, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, all of them participated. And that shows the commitment of this young India, the new India that we are seeing, that they are ready to take on the issues that the country and the planet are facing. The software-led evaluation selected 128 essays out of the thousands of essays we received. And then our internal team of journalists and content experts selected 25 best essays. Out of these 25 essays which were sent to the jury members are respected, eminent personalities that took time to take part in the evaluation process, selected the winners. but somehow the evaluation process was so tedious and so difficult, because most of the essays were wonderful, and there was no winner or loser here. What we see is a collective winning proposition for all of us, whether the organizers, the jury members, the stakeholders, or the students, or the community, or the country. So of course, there would be some winners who would be given fellowship. We would be selecting number of essays, probably 25 best essays, and we would publish an ebook and we would circulate it among the government officials, the politicians, the intellectual class, media, corporates, and civil society organizations. And we would ask them, we would urge them to encourage the students and felicitate them in whatever way they can. We would also request our members, the partners, sponsors to give them internship opportunities within their organizations. Of course, the details would be shared with the students, the participants later on, but ultimately that's the agenda with us. So we are not leaving all the participants here after this fellowship award is done. We would be engaging with them throughout the year and years to come for more issues, more fellowships, more engagements, and more platforms like this, which can help them voice their concerns and also take part in the national agenda or the global agenda. With this, I would pass this on to Smita ji again to move forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Arpesh. Like Arpesh just mentioned, we did have an eminent panel of jury members. We are grateful to each one of you, ma'am and sirs, for your time and for your guidance in this journey. And I'd like to now call upon each one of our jury members to just take 2 minutes and share their experience on going through so many entries and what were their experiences there. I'd like to first call Dr. Ameya Sahu, President NSWAI, to share his experience in this journey. Dr. Ameya?
Yes. Yeah, good evening. We care. And I congratulate We Care organization. We invite the students to write essay on the waste management, especially focus on the plastic waste. But I think there are some general waste, also solid waste, including plastic. And I'm very happy and glad that the students have written very nicely. And most of the students, their language is fantastic, far better than my own English language. And I presume that there may be some are in the English literature and some must be also journalists or studying journalism. Whatever it is, I'm happy that at least the students have gone through some of the references and put it in a essay form, and that itself is good to know that they're interested to know about the waste management in India. And secondly, the subject, of course, they focused on the subject, no doubt, but we are a specialist on the waste management. So our focus has to be on the waste only, not on the language or not on something else. This is the way I have corrected all the 22 essays, because 3 are in Hindi. My Hindi, I speak Hindi, but my Hindi is not very good to correct the essays of Hindi stalwarts. Okay, but it is really good in awareness and education. And when I started my, association in 1996, and from since then, and till today, I'm only busy in the awareness and education. And this is already, it is proved that all the youngsters are now aware of the waste management, and also some of them are educated or half educated, whatever it is, they are in the field of education on the waste management. I'm really glad. I think the best thing to start among the youngsters in this way, so that no, it has to go on in future. It has to go to everybody, all the youngsters. So because it's their future, they have to manage the waste, and they should know what is the value of the waste and how the waste is generated, and the entire life cycle of the waste. So I again congratulate WeCare on this, and please again proceed further. For among the youngsters, must go ahead again. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Sahu. Those are really words of encouragement for our students as well as for organizations like us. I'd now like to call Dr. Amit Tuteja, founder CDF India, say a few words.
Thank you, Smitaji. Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers, India CSR and WeCare, to include us as a part of the jury. And I would like to congratulate them for such a huge success, such good numbers coming in from all the parts of India, length and breadth of the country has participated in this particular essay writing competition. We got a chance, we couldn't see all the essays, but we got a chance to look at the 25 of them, which you all have shortlisted. And while going through them, I could really see the kind of mindset people have now, the new India that we're talking about. It's very happy to see that people have started thinking in a sustainable way. And I think it's very important to achieve the 2030 agenda that UN has put across everyone. If you can start thinking in a sustainable way, start living sustainably, only then we'll be able to achieve the SDGs that we all expect to achieve. I could really see that, I could cite one of the essays where it is written, waste is not waste till you stop using it. And I think that also inspires me that the new generation is thinking in such a wonderful direction that they would like to take a responsibility moving forward. The kind of suggestions that have been given, the kind of ideas that have come up, they are taking up responsibility that they would like to solve this problem, which people like us have only created. People like all of us have only created this problem. And if we can start thinking from a solution perspective, as one of the panelists was talking about, I think rather than looking at the problem, start looking at the solution. I think we'll be moving in the right direction. And like this, I believe this is just a start, what we have done. And as Connecting Dream Foundation, we would love to participate, or we would like to collaborate in any such further programs where we would like to also involve in process where some of these ideas that people have come out with, they would like to convert them to reality in their local areas, of course, to start with. But we would love to do that. And I would like to congratulate all the organizers once again, for such a wonderful program that you've created. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Tuteja. Really inspiring indeed. I'd now like to invite Dr. Abhinav Mathur, founder of Million Sparks Foundation, to share his experience on the jury journey.
He hasn't joined.
Okay, then we move on. I'd now like to invite Mr. Sujay Jha, CEO of Hari Bhari Recyclable, to say a few words.
Good evening to all of you. I would like to first thank WeCare and India CSR for giving us a platform and opportunity to express our views on this. It has been an amazing journey along with Apdesh. Since this is a very new concept in terms of the bringing in students across the country, as Apdesh said, right from north and south as well as east, west, everywhere, and getting the new topic like waste, where Hari Bhari, my company, is involved for many years. And essentially, we have been doing work on processing, which is a processing of waste of almost 600 tons in Allahabad on a regular basis, and 350 tons in Muradabad. Patiala and Bareilly is also with us. This is one of the major initiatives which we had taken is on plastic, where we have set up a plastic to diesel plant in Allahabad just recently, and which is awaited to be inaugurated next month, probably by one of the ministers of Uttar Pradesh. VCare has been very, in terms of the choice of the essays, it has been amazing, since the students as well as the people who have participated in these essay competition have a lot of knowledge on this sector. Just to give you a feel, almost 2 lakh tons of waste is generated by India every day in India, and out of which only around 25% is being processed, out of which plastic is almost 15,000 tons, so per day of generation. So there's a huge problem across the country, and students have well captured these things in their essay. A lot of essays have captured these facts and data, which I was quite amazed to see that, because it's not something you find a student who are just starting their careers having all these informations. So let's appreciate that view very clearly on the students' part. On our part, definitely we'd like to have few students who would like to join us, whether as in job or whether they can take up careers. They can contact me through WeCare and India CSR whenever they want. I'm thankful once again to everybody for giving us the opportunity. Thank you.
Great. Thank you, Mr. Jha. It is indeed actually, our youngsters know a lot and they're more aware of a lot of things. And I'm hopeful that in the few years, they will be about to bring this kind of change for us. I'd now like to call upon Mr. Manjeet Singh, CEO of Buddy for Study, to say a few words.
I think he has also not joined.
Okay, in that case, we'll move on. I'd like to call Ms. Vaishali Nandan, Director of CMC, GIZ India, to say a few words.
Hi, everybody. Thank you so much, WeCare and India CSR for inviting me to be part of this wonderful journey. It was really interesting to be part of this whole, process, especially the selection of the essays that were so well written, I must say. I had a tough time choosing from within the 25. I don't know how you managed to select from the 128, and of course the computer helped you as the organization, but it was really wonderful. Each of these essays was also wonderfully written, including the ones on Hindi. I come from the Hindi belt, so I really enjoyed the fantastic Hindi that was written, and also from the English language, of course. The other was the very interesting and innovative thinking of some of these some of the students, which was really interesting. So one was, of course, the run of the mill that was written, but the other was about actually very, very innovative thinking, looking at behavioral change, looking at various kinds of things that could actually be put in to real practice, which would really bring the change on the ground, which really inspired me also to start looking at things from within GIZ. I had this project on climate smart cities, and also another project on prevention of marine litter at source, where we'll be working in several cities on the ground. And for me, I think whatever those essays were providing was already very interesting information coming from the ground reality as it is. It's all the more interesting to see that young minds can also not only channelize their thoughts, but also look at productive change that they could actually put forward to. So I look forward to maybe some of these students who took part to actually try and put their thoughts to the ground, and it would be really, really interesting and really encouraging to see some of them actually then enter the workforce and follow their thoughts through. So best of luck to all the winners and everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you for those lovely words. Thank you. And last but not the least, I'd like to call Professor R. Vasudevan, our Dean of TCE, to say a few words to all of us. Sir, over to you. Sir, you're mute. You are mute right now. Dr. Vasudevan, your PC is on mute. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, better.
Thank you very much. We care because you care the country, you care the environment. So definitely our care for the we care is very, very important also. Really, you have done a great work. You have motivated the builders of future India. You have motivated from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. That's a really nice thing, good work you have done. I really appreciate the organization to have such a great move. But I feel that this is only a starting point. And we have a long way. And we have to imbibe passion in the young mind to find out solution for all those things. It is not merely getting some information from them. So creating passion, creating awareness is important. For that, it is not just by giving, let's say, we have to conduct probably a workshop, we have to conduct exhibition to create awareness among them, to create hands-on like that. So that when you create these things, it will make them to think more about those things. After all, thought process comes out from the knowledge and more from the passion. So the thirst for that and the quest for this is very important. That comes automatically with this process. So I always, my philosophy is slightly different. Plastic is God's gift at the most appropriate time when we are dearth of sectoral materials there. So there is no question of banning plastic, but we have to plan for plastic, and plastic management is very important. So it has to, we care should take the move or the mission not only to the student, but also to the people concerned, to the society, to the industry, why not to the government too. So it is a move to which we have to create and thereby create awareness. After all, plastic is useful before and after. It is only human failure, human garbage culture that differs. So this type of awareness to be created among not only students, but also society. And that is more important. That shows how we care to the society, how we care to the India. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you very much for those beautiful words. And finally, we have an address by our jury chair, Mr. C.K. Mishra, former Secretary, Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change. Mr. C.K. Mishra, over to you.
Mr. Mishra, I can't say he's here.
No? Should we continue?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So we don't have Mr. Mishra here, so we'll move on. We have a special address by our chief guest, Mr. Suresh Prabhu, the former Union Minister and India Sherpa to G7 and G20 summits. This is a key recording done specially for today's event.
Let me congratulate India CSR for organizing this program. And glad to see young students participating in it. The students at this stage of their life have the ability to absorb any new ideas very easily. They have the sincerity to follow new thoughts that come to their mind. They have the genuine attitude to pursue their goals. And therefore to engage with them is a brilliant idea. And I'm very sure that this particular endeavor will go a long way in making sure that we not only train the youth, teach the students, but build a strong foundation for a modern society, a forward-looking India. As we know, India has many challenges. India has more than 750,000, 7.5 lakh villages. We have 137 crore people living in India. They speak many languages. They live in a far-flung areas. Education is a problem. Healthcare is an issue.
Krish, the video got paused. Can you please look at it?
Presh, I think there's a technical glitch on the video.
Because they are not yet influenced by the old challenges. They are not yet dogmatic. They don't have the baggage to carry, though they carry a lot of baggage on their shoulders of books and notebooks. But they don't have the baggage of ideas of the past. Therefore, let's work together, make the students the change agent. Let me also thank my young friends, the students, for participating in this program. You can change the world if you decide to do that. And each person can change the world. This is very important. Mahatma Gandhi was only one person who changed the world. So you can be the change agent, but you can also be responsible for changing others' minds in a very significant way. But if you want to change others, you have to change yourself first. You cannot tell others to change and you will not change yourself. So to change, you must know your goals. Why you want to change? You want to change to achieve something. So the goal is very important. If you keep a most laudable goal, as high a goal as possible, you will definitely achieve it. But if you keep for yourself a much smaller goal, you can achieve it also. But achieving a smaller goal will give you so much result. If you keep a bigger goal, same efforts are necessary, but you can achieve a lot more. So keep a larger goal. That larger goal will be making society better, making people happier, making India free from all the ills that we are suffering today, making India a shining glory of the world. India should be looked upon by the people as someone who can guide them. India can provide leadership in terms of thoughts, in terms of values, in terms of how good behavior can change the entire society and the world. So I am sure you as young students will do that. And this initiative of bringing the corporate sector and others together to change the society will go a long way in achieving our long-term objective. So let me congratulate all the organizers for doing this. I am very sure that this initiative taken by Mr. Apresh Mishra will be a very important initiative in a long way. India CSR, which works with corporate sustainability and responsibility, will be a long-term change agent. And I congratulate Mr. Mishra for choosing this audience, the young students, who are the future. And I know the great ability of the editors. They can change the minds of people with pen, and the young minds can change the world. So let us all work together. Congratulations to you. All the best to you.
With that very inspiring speech from Mr. Suresh Prabhu, we now move on to the most awaited segment. That is our winners for the National Essay Competition, the VK Fellowship Awards. I now would like to call Kajal Devnath, member of VK, to announce the Eco Thinkers Award for this initiative.
Thank you, Smita. Thank you, all the jury members. I think this journey of sustainability, I mean, for this program must be in a conclusion. But I think for We Care as a commitment for the environment is just the beginning. And what we chose to also, appreciate the people who have been passionate and commitment. And then say separate, kind of, prize what we have thought of. I'm very glad that Eco Thinker, like the people who are connected, show the commitment through their essays. And I'm very happy to announce their name. To start with, there are several from various parts of India. We have received this award. So we have Bhavna Shri Harsha, Army Institute Law Mohali. Congratulate Bhavna for your Eco Thinker Prize. Meenakshi B for Palappu College of Arts and Science. Thank you, Meenakshi, for your commendable work and for this prize. Ilyas Reddy Kasu, Divyadan, Salesian Institute of Philosophy, Nashik. Then we have Ashwath Chella Durai, Kaveri Global School, Tirachapulli. So congratulations both Ilyas and Ashwath. Then we have Anita Beniwal from Satyavati College, New Delhi. And then we have Kiran Pundir from Delhi. So congratulations to Anita and Kiran. We have also from another person from Nashik, Sonia Kuti, HPT Arts and RYK Science Junior College, Nashik. And then we have from Sangareddy, Kirti Vandewale, BVRIT, Naraspur, Sangareddy. So congratulations, Sonia and Kirti. And then we have Gargi Saraf, Central University of Punjab, Bhatinda, Punjab. And then we have from Bangalore, Ashwin Pandey from Triple IIT. So congratulations to Barbie and Ashwini. And then, so all these people have been encouraged to on their commitment for thinking on this plastic waste management and commitment for the environment. Thank you, Smita. This is from my side.
I think let's give them all a applause.
Yeah.
Doing such great work. Great. I'd like to call Manjeet Singh if he's logged in right now.
No, he is not.
Okay. Then Arpesh, I'm going to invite you to announce our third winner in this fellowship awards. Arpesh, can you do the honors?
So our third winner is Aditya Bhatia from Dr. Y.S. Parmar University of Horticulture and Forestry from Kurukshetra. Aditya Bhatia.
Aditya Bhatia, are you on the call? Aditya Bhatia.
Yeah, he just joined.
Okay, Aditya says thanks a lot to all the panelists. Aditya, we can invite you to say a few words if it's not too much. You're the third winner at our fellowship awards.
Ma'am, for giving this opportunity, and first of all I would like to thank all the organizers for this awakening and creating interest among students regarding this We Care fellowship. And I would like to also, being an agriculturist and being an agriculture background, I came to know about this We Care fellowship, and especially interested in writing this essay on waste management. So I had precisions of farmers regarding this agricultural waste. So I write my essays mainly focus on this agriculture waste management. So that's why, and I also saw many of the keeping into regarding this COVID and crisis among farmers. So I write my essay basically on waste management in my community. So I given many of the ideas in waste management in community and write many of the points. For 15 days, I researched among these criteria of where waste comes from, and I had compiled all the information and written in Hindi language. So I would lastly I would I give my best known solutions to reduce the waste. Only the non-waste and the reducing waste is to reusing and recycling it. So that will provide employment, clean environment, good health, better sustainability, and lots of issues that can be addressed only by waste management. So lastly, I would thanks to Hyphen and BK Fellowship for organizing such a wonderful contest and for facilitating and this virtual award ceremony. So thanks a lot, ma'am, and really appreciable. And thank you so much.
Congratulations, Aditya Bhatia. Very well said. And the future of India lies in people, in the youth like you. So thank you very much for that.
Thank you so much.
And congratulations from all of us to you.
Thank you. And congratulations to all the winners.
Yes, indeed. For the second prize or the second winner, can I call Mr. Sujay Jha, the CEO of Haribari Recyclable, to please announce our second winner?
Yeah, I would like to definitely announce this amazing essay written by this lady called Megha Uni. She has in fact written very well on the waste management scenario and given a full understanding on waste management in one of the locations in India, with all the facts which are well placed around about the quantity of waste, the quality of waste, what are the things which is required to set up this industry, as well as how to take this industry forward. I'm really pleased to announce this for Megha Uni. She is the second winner after for this contest. I would also request if she is there, she can speak a few words on whatever she has written and express herself.
Congratulations, Megha Uni. Are you on the live session? Yeah, I can see Megha Uni. Hi, Megha. You are mute. There you go. That's Megha Uni. Congratulations. Yeah, we'd love to hear.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Good evening to all the esteemed judges and the respected members and partners of the WeCare Fellowship. And I'm very grateful for getting my essay selected. This was a huge learning experience because I didn't have any prior knowledge, but because of the lockdown, we had a lot of time. So I got to do a lot of research on how waste is being tackled all over the world and how sustainability can be brought about even in India, and how each one of us can bring it into our own life and how we can change our mindset. It was a huge learning experience. I thank the WeCare Fellowship for giving me this opportunity, and I hope that whatever I could learn through the essay writing process, I can implement that as well and work with the fellowship to bring about more change. Thank you so much.
Excellent. Thank you, Megha. Thank you, indeed. And congratulations. Today is a
Thank
great
you.
day for you.
Thank you.
We actually have another second winner. We had the jury members were tied up on the second winner, and they decided that we should have another second winner. It's a very deserving position. And I'd like to call Ms. Vaishali Nandan, our director, CMC GIZ India, to please announce our second winner today.
It's my great pleasure to announce Nilotpal Trivedi, who's the second winner. She's from Government Girls College, and I think we had a tough time actually trying to decide whether we should give 2 awards to the second winner or not. And I think deservedly so. Both essays were so fantastic that it's important that both get the second prize. So congratulations to both of you. And Nilotpala Trivedi, I think it's important that you get say some few words.
Congratulations, Nilotpala. I can see you here. Would you like to say a few words? You are our second winner today, and let's give her a round of applause as well. You are on mute, Nilotpala.
Hello.
Yeah, we would like to see
Hi, am I audible?
Yes, much better. Yes, we can see you too.
Sure.
Congratulations.
Namaste. And I would thank actually all of you, and especially Apresh. So I think I got in contact with him the first time. I did not know about it. My sister, she's a researcher, so she told me about this fellowship program, and I was like very keenly interested in this program. And when I read about the source segregation topic that was written, I was like immediately it was clicked in my mind that I had to write on this. It was like the point that Vaishali ma'am explained right now about the behavioral change and all that. These are the things I think we need our society to develop more. Like it's not just about technical terms that we need to face, but also some behavioral changes that we need to make. Our approach towards the waste. That is like it's like if the waste is out of sight, it's out of mind as we think so. That is what my basic idea and approach was. That is it.
Excellent, excellent. So congratulations to you. Well, very, very well done. And finally, we have our first winner for the BK Fellowship Awards. And I'd like to call Mr. Rusen Kumar, founder of India CSR, to please announce our first winner for this National Essay Competition.
Yeah. So this is a great opportunity and honor for me to announce the winner of the All India Essay Writing Competition on environment, various issues on environment. So we have winner as a Girls Power. So I'm announcing the winner. The winner is Aarti Dahiya. So she is a student of St. Stephen's College, Gurugram. So is a big clap for her efforts. Yeah, thank you so much.
Well, Aarti, congratulations. You are the proud winner of the VK Fellowship Awards that has been instituted this year. How do you feel about it? And would you like to say a few words to us?
Good evening, one and all. A heartfelt thanks to the VK Fellowship team for giving me this opportunity to pen down my ideas and opinions about waste management by means of an essay. I think this is an excellent platform to empower ordinary citizens. And at the same time, I think this is the least we as responsible students and concerned and responsible students can contribute. I would also like to congratulate all the other winners and fellow participants. I came across this essay competition in a newspaper. I was waiting for any opportunity. Like I wanted to write an essay or an article. I was so interested in content writing, and then I came across it. I quickly figured which sub theme I would like to write my essay on, and then I read a lot of material related to, for example, I chose plastic waste to wealth. So although I have a background in chemistry, still I read about plastics from scratch. And I also, I figured how our country is actually progressing in terms of plastic waste management and also the global picture. I wanted my essay to be very wholesome, multi-dimensional. So I try to accommodate all the aspects in it. And I think that's all. This is the first time I've written a professional essay with all my dedication after so many years. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I'm truly honored to be a part of this ceremony. Thank you.
Congratulations. And I think you need to keep writing, keep bringing change, the change that we want in India. It all relies on your capable shoulders. So big congratulations to all our winners today. all our winners today get a cash prize as a reward. And the top 4 winners will get internships in leading companies. So a big hand to all of you. We now reach the end of our session, and nothing can close without a vote of thanks. So I'd like to invite my colleague Kajal Devnath, member of WeCare, to please address us all and give us a vote of thanks.
Thank you, Smita. It's very heartening to see the smile in our young next generation people who have been really putting their minds and thinking for the nation and thinking for this very sustainability environment. So as I earlier also said that it is not a conclusion, this is only just the beginning for our sustainable journey for WeCare. So it has been a great 2 months for WeCare Fellowship. So I, on behalf of WeCare Fellowship team, thank you all for the participating, supporting and guiding us. First of all, I must thank and congratulate the students, the main stakeholders for this program of WeCare Fellowship, participated in this fellowship. And for us, all of you who have participated are the winners, as rightly Apresh has said in the beginning, that there are nothing winner and losers. We are all for this society and for this sustainable journey. So let's care. I wish all of you to really keep up with this good work for the society, for the nation, for this Mother Earth. And I also would like to thank that Sri Suresh Prabhuji has given a very, very precious time and to share his message, and for the students, for all of us. And this is kind enough, this Honorable Minister of Education, despite his busy schedule, took his time and to launch this competition. And our jury member, Mr. C.K. Mishra, today I think he could not join because of his some busy schedule or something. But all other jury members, Professor Vasudevanji, Dr. Sahu, Ms. Vaishali, Gayatri, Dr. Mathur, Dr. Tuteja, Mr. Manjit, Mr. Sujoy, for agreeing to be part of this competition, have done excellent job for evaluating the students. So we are basically thank also our various partners, Body for Study for connecting, Dreams Foundation, Millions Per Foundation for disseminating it to the students. I also would like to thank all our WeCare members who there has been a task force through which we have formed these, and there are a lot of inputs has come from all our active WeCare core members and also our other members of this WeCare society, and also all the CSR member, the hyphen for making it happen, and Swachh Bharat Mission for supporting this initiative. I thank truly for my team members of this task force, including our President, Dr. Atul Sood, my colleague Smita, Kamal, our CEO of our WeCare, making this fellowship really happen. And finally, I would like to thank our architect of this WeCare fellowship, Mr. Apresh Mishra, under his lot of enthusiasm and his pursuance to go for it, and his actual guidance and leadership for making this fellowship as a grand success. And I was discussing with Apresh that let's not make this as a conclusion. Let's make this as a beginning. Let's think that why from here, which has been a journey of the students to have their thinking to pen down, and let's give the opportunity also to take it to the ground and to see that actually whatever the thoughts are there are actually been implemented in the ground. And we should also frame some programs and encourage these students to do that. So thank you all, and see you for the second edition or any other kind of programs we do think of environment, which we are committed for environment and sustainability. And with this, I think I conclude my remarks of vote of thanks. Thank you all for participating and making this successful.
Thank you. Thank you, Kajal. And thank you to each one of you for making the time today for this lovely event and the culmination of the first chapter of VK Fellowship Awards. Like Kajal said, we hope to have many more. And
Can we just unmute? Can we all unmute and then clap together?
yeah, let's do that. Come on. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you. God bless.
Thank you.
Thank you.